Good morning, everyone. This is our interior perspective. In our interior perspective, we have a wall design. Our first wall design is this one. The blue. This design it serves sleek lights and neutral. It's actually perfect wall actions for the modern minimalist design for our interior. The second design is made up of hundreds of flanked timber that serves as our corridor leading leading from entry to the rooms. While design this design is common and simple geometric design that you usually see in residential area because it create illusion of movement of some bowl shape that adjusted to form a waves motion which gives a sense of movement in our interior. So this design is called geometric paneling in the for the expensive lobby that serves as dual purpose by dampening sounds and entrancing. Aside from that, we also provide waiting area to make them comfortable while waiting to the rooms. And also we provide also indoor plants to create relaxation and happy ambience that help to work better and to improve concentration to our interior. So that's all. Thank you.